Hi, everybody. Welcome to Subject Verb Agreement Advanced Edition. Here we go. Let's learn about more difficult subject verb agreement. Remember that life is easier when we agree. Agreeing means that we are matching. We're on the same page. We get along. And in a sentence, we remember that subjects and verbs must always agree. We learned about singular subjects like Don and singular verbs like swims. So Don swims, those agree. Those can go together. We've also learned about plural subjects like friends and plural verbs like swim. And we remember that friends, swim, those two agree and can go together. But sometimes extra words between the subject and verb can really confuse us. For example, in this sentence, there's a prep phrase added to describe which friends. So let's take a look at this. Don's friends from work swim or swims. We need to decide what the subject is. All right, so Don's friends from work. Well, work is right up next to the verb. So if we focus on work as the subject, work, no S, we might choose swims with an S. Wrong. Okay, let's think about that. Well, Don is first. So if we focus on Don's as the subject, Don's, well, with an S, swim. Don swim. Don swims? Wrong. It's all wrong all the way. Who is it that's doing the swimming? Oh, yes, it's the friends, plural friends. So we would choose swim. That's correct. Friends swim. But Don's in there and from work in there, they all mess it up. And so it becomes very difficult. Just remember that you have to think about who is doing the action, and that's your subject. Now, there are sometimes strange subjects. Did you know that anyone, someone, and nobody are all singular? Anyone, someone, and nobody are all singular. And that kind of makes sense. Anyone is one person. But did you know that everyone is also singular? Everything is also singular, and everybody also singular. That doesn't make any sense to me logically at all. But the logical thing that I can focus on is the little word one, thing, and body. Those are all singular, and they really help me to understand that the word everyone is singular. Everything is singular. Everybody is singular. All right. So we understand that a team member, if you're on the football team or the cross-country team, you are one singular person. But did you know that the word team is also singular? Why? Well, because it's one group of people working together, and a team is a singular subject. So we also have weird, strange subjects like happiness. Happiness is strange because it's an idea, but also take a look at the ending of the word happiness. We said that plural subjects end in S. Well, guess what? There are some singular subjects that end in S. Take a look. You know these guys, right? Jesus or Jesus, depending on how you say that, or James. You all know somebody with these names. Guess what? These are still one person. Jesus is one person. Jesus is one person. James is one person. Yet their names end with S. They're still singular. Did you know that the word all could be singular or plural depending on how it's used? So, for example, if we said all is lost, that would mean like everything is lost. Let's say our boat goes down and all of our fishing equipment is lost. But you could have a plural. Instead, you could have, for example, all um, all of the kids in sixth grade are staying at home during this COVID-19 pandemic.